Today, I'm gonna tell you why I believe I am deserving of the opportunity to study at Mepha Luang University in the Bachelor of Science, Multimedia Technology and Animations. Good morning. My name is Gunok Wikesaku. I am 18 years old and currently a มัธยม 6 student at เวียงเชียงรุงวิทยาคม School. Why did I choose pursue my study at Mepha Luang University Bachelor of Science, Multimedia Technology and Animations? Because my goal after graduation is to become an animator and a mechanical designer. This program aligns perfectly with my aspiration as I want to bring the things I do to life through motions. I am determined to develop my skill, become the leading professional in this field, and to contribute to growth of the animation industry in Thailand. I would like to introduce one of the multimedia projects from my portfolio. Project SUS Portable Railgun Prototype. This is an animation I create to test the feasibility and push the limit of my current animation capability. Project SUS is a 2D animation draw at 24 frames per second using the frame-by-frame technique. I apply precise camera angle technique and even overcame the limitation of Clip Studio N Pro, which normally allows only 1 second of animation, yet I managed to extend it much further. The project also includes powerful SFX editing throughout the 69 seconds of viewing. If I am given the opportunity to study here, as I truly hope, I will devote myself fully my education, consistently improve my skill to archive my goals, and create meaningful works that contribute positively to society. Thank you very much. I can't wait to continue my study at Mepha Luang University.